everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my small, minis and super mini silicone molds. I'm going to start with these. Everybody knows these. These are earring studs, or you could use them for fillers. This is the easiest way I can figure out for myself. Now these are supposed to be for nails. I also use the minis for leftover resin. So there's another hint, little tip there. I use this to make my Halloween cupcakes. Oop. Yeah, that one's been well loved. And these I haven't even tried yet. These are from Sofie and Toffee. These are little cup makers. Little fry thing from the fast food. These are like, you can make little mountains with them, but they also match together like a puzzle. Some rings. These, believe it or not, you can make little galaxies with. But they're not deep enough. I don't know. Somebody's going to have to show me how to make this. These are the butterflies from Sofie and Toffee. I just cut them down because I don't need to use them all at once. Oh, they can stand up. That's cute. These came as a set, so I cut them up because I don't need to use the whole thing all at once. It just takes up space. This is also from Sofie and Toffee. These I haven't even used yet. This is also well loved, my little mushroom. Used this once. Cute little sphere that I haven't used yet. Little space dude. And they all fit. And this is to make holes for pendants in case it doesn't have one. Well, that's a convenience for me. I don't know about anybody else, but thank you for watching. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe, hit that bell. You know, send me some coffee once in a while. Have a nice day. Namaste.